Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Coinbase Wallet on your PC. First, open your web browser and search for the official Coinbase Wallet extension. Once found, add it to your browser. After installation, you'll be prompted to either create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using a recovery phrase. Choose the option that suits your needs and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Protecting your digital assets is crucial. After setting up your wallet, you will receive a 12-word recovery phrase. Write this down and store it in a very safe, offline place, like a physical safe. Never share it with anyone. Additionally, activate two-factor authentication within your wallet settings for an extra layer of security against unauthorized access. Now that your wallet is secure, let's add some funds. You can easily link your Coinbase exchange account directly to your Coinbase wallet. This allows for seamless transfers of various cryptocurrencies. Alternatively, you can receive crypto from other wallets by sharing your unique wallet address. Always double-check the address before confirming any transaction to ensure accuracy. With your Coinbase wallet set up, you can now manage your crypto assets. Send and receive different cryptocurrencies with ease. The wallet also provides access to a vast ecosystem of decentralized applications, or dApps, allowing you to interact with Web3. Keep track of your investments and review all your transaction history directly within the wallet interface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.